What's up guys, Sammy here, and today I've got an unboxing and review of the LIFX tile. It's an LED tile which displays up to 16 million colours and blended whites with 64 individual zones per tile for cool colour combinations and effects that can give your living space a special touch of vibrance. The LIFX tile offers LIFX's iOS/Android app and support for smart home and voice assistant integrations such as Apple HomeKit, Amazon Alexa and Google Assistant. The kit includes a quick start guide, 5 LED tiles, a power adapter with international support for A, C, G and I regions, 4 cables which are used to connect the tiles together and measure out at 0.4 meters each. You'll also find a 2 meter cable for power. Taking a look at the design of the LIFX tile itself, it features a white diffuse glossy finish. The tiles span out at 200 by 200 by 35 millimeters and have a bit of heft to them at 595 grams per unit. Setting up the LIFX tiles is pretty straightforward. You have options on the individual tiles for directions of how the cables can connect together. The tiles have little cable notches to keep these cables in place, but I found that they don't always work, especially when you're trying to stick them to the wall. On the back of the tiles you have a Velcro adhesive pad. Setting up the tiles in a vertical design with the cables hidden, I found that I needed to connect the tiles up together beforehand. Masking tape was also required to keep the tiles together without the cables being removed. I'd recommend a second pair of hands to help put up the tiles as well, as they're quite heavy together in this configuration. What's nice with the LIFX tiles is that you have various options of how you can connect and display them, and you can really be creative with it. Just be prepared to be patient with putting it all together. Using the LIFX app, it's really easy to set up the LIFX tile. First head over to the plus icon on the top right of the app and tap on Connect a Light. From here we can add our LIFX tile. You may notice multiple LIFX tile networks in the app. Usually selecting any one of them will connect the other LIFX tiles together. At this stage the app will ask you to scan your HomeKit code. This can be found either on the back of the LIFX tile with the green circle sticker, individually on each LIFX tile, or within the instruction manual. From here we can use Siri to turn our LIFX tiles on/off and or change colors. Once the LIFX tiles are connected, we can adjust the light which is displayed with blended whites and colors and brightness adjustment. You can adjust the tile placement as well from the light settings menu indicated by the gear icon at the top right of the app and tapping on Edit Tile Configuration. Here you can drag the tiles around based on how you have your tiles set up, which will give the app an accurate representation on the tiles themselves. With the LIFX app you have different effects for animations including candle flicker, color cycle, music visualizer, spooky, strobe, animate theme, which is one of the ones that I use the most here for those blended colors. You'll also have random and pastel effects with all the effects that can be customized to your desired liking. The LIFX app also supports day and dusk, which will automatically adjust the light/brightness with the time of day, whether you want your lights to be switched on during the morning as you wake up or late at night with a night light. The big feature here is animated themes, where it displays blended colors with an animation effect. These can really change the way your home feels, and you have a lot of different theme options, which I'll display a few of them here. But what product is without its faults? I found that you really need to make sure the cables are connected securely, as they can come loose and setting up can be troublesome. I would have preferred a lock-in cable of some sort. Price-wise, the LIFX tile comes in at $349.99 Australian dollars, or $249.99 US dollars for the 5 tiles and power pack. To wrap up my thoughts, I think what's great about the LIFX tile and LIFX lineup of products is that a hub is not required. Simply connect the LIFX tile, download the app and get connected. It's why I love LIFX lights and its simple setup. The LIFX tile presents great value with its animated theme options, which give my living space a colourful vibe, and people continue to ask me about them. It's a recommendation from me. But that's going to wrap it up for my unboxing and review of the LIFX tile. A special thanks to LIFX for providing the unit for review. Please note that all the opinions in this video are my own, and nobody saw the video before it was published. Anyways, thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe. But yeah, hope you guys have an awesome day, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.